students, today we will discuss class 12th organic chemistry first unit, that is haloalkanes. In CBSE, the weightage of organic chemistry is 33 out of 70, means almost 50% of the syllabus is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is very important for CBSE and even for entrance exams. Let us start first unit, that is haloalkane. What are haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. We also use the term alkyl halides. Haloalkane is used in IUPAC naming, alkyl halide is used in common naming. For example, देखिए CH4 is methane. In methane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by a halogen. For example, हमने क्लोरीन ले ली, तो इसका नाम क्या हो गया? क्लोरोमीथेन. This is IUPAC name. Common name is methyl chloride. Similarly, if one more hydrogen is replaced by a halogen, so these are dichloro derivatives. इसका नाम हो गया dichloromethane. Similarly, trichloromethane, similarly tetrachloromethane, means when all the four hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen. Now, what are primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides? Primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. This is primary alkyl halide. देखिए, जिस कार्बन के पास क्लोरीन है, अगर वो कार्बन एक ही कार्बन से बॉन्डेड है, then it is called as a primary alkyl halide. The carbon carrying halogen is bonded to two carbon atoms, then it is called as secondary alkyl halide. If carbon carrying halogen is bonded to three carbon atoms, then it is called as tertiary alkyl halide. IUPAC name of this 1, 2, 3, 2-chloropropane. तो IUPAC नेमिंग के अंदर जो डिजिट है और जो नेम है, ठीक है, उसके बीच में ये हाइफन आएगा और जो फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट है वो कैपिटल होना चाहिए. Halogen derivatives of alkenes are called as alkenyl halides or haloalkenes. For example, CH2 double bond CH, its common name is vinyl chloride. Its common name is allyl chloride. So you should know common names also. IUPAC name of this will be chloroethene. And IUPAC name of allyl chloride 1, 2, 3, 3-chloropropene. Similarly, halogen derivatives of alkynes are called as alkynyl halides or haloalkynes. For example, chloroethine. The word normal, secondary, tertiary, iso, neo are also used in common naming. Yes, these are the isomers of chloropentane. Common name of this is normal pentyl chloride. And the common name of this is isopentyl chloride. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. 1-chlorobutane. This is tertiary pentyl chloride. The carbon carrying halogen is bonded to 3 carbon atoms and IUPAC name will be butane. This is neopentyl chloride and IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3, 2. Write the IUPAC name of this. IUPAC name of this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-chloro. IUPAC name will be 5-chloropentone. तो जो डबल बॉन्ड वाला कार्बन है उसको प्रायोरिटी में पहले रखना है. Now next is what are gem dihalides. When both the halogens are present on the same carbon atom, then called as gem dihalides. When both the halogen atoms are present on the adjacent carbon atom, then the halides are called as vicinal dihalides. I will give you one example. So this is gem dihalide and this is vicinal dihalide. All alkylidene halides are gem dihalides. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 2,2-dichloropropane. IUPAC name of this 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,3-dichlorobutane. Now we will do preparation of haloalkanes or preparation of alkyl halides. First method, we will do the preparation of haloalkanes and alkyl halides from alcohols by the reaction with halogen acids. ROH, alcohol, HX is halogen acid, RH plus H2O. These reactions come under the category of nucleophilic substitution reaction. In alcohol, this is the nucleophilic part, and in halogen acid, this is the nucleophilic part. तो ये वाला न्यूक्लियोफाइल यहाँ से हट जाएगा, इसकी जगह ये नया न्यूक्लियोफाइल आ जाएगा. I will give you the mechanism of the reaction. In the first step, protonation of alcohol takes place. Oxygen acquires positive charge. Now oxygen being highly electronegative can't bear this positive charge. तो ये वाला जो bond pair है, ऑक्सीजन इसको अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा, and this new nucleophile will approach alkyl group and alkyl halide will form. Now I will give you the reaction of different alcohols, primary, secondary and tertiary with hydrochloric acid. Now see, this is primary alcohol reacted with HCl, and HCl is taken in the gaseous form, and reaction is done in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride acts as a Lewis acid and combines with the oxygen because lone pair of electrons are present on oxygen, and because of this the bond between carbon and oxygen becomes weak and breaks readily. एनहाइड्रस का फायदा है, जो H2O जो प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है वो इसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा. विथ सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल आल्सो वी यूज सेम कंडीशन. विथ टर्शियरी अल्कोहल वी टेक कंसंट्रेटेड HCl. नो एनहाइड्रस जिंक क्लोराइड इज नीडेड. द रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन इज वेरी फास्ट बिकॉज इस रिएक्शन के अंदर जो कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा दैट विल बी टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन, एंड टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन इज वेरी स्टेबल. तो रिएक्शन मूव्स इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन रैपिडली. Now for other halides, for bromide and iodide, for alkyl bromide, HBr is prepared at the time of the reaction only by reacting potassium bromide with sulfuric acid. तो like HCl, HBr हम बाहर से सप्लाई नहीं करते हैं. Similarly for iodide, we take potassium iodide and phosphoric acid. तो HI, hydroiodic acid, is also prepared at the time of the reaction. Other methods are, in other methods, number 1 with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride. These are chlorinating agent. तो जब हम अल्कोहल के इनसे रिएक्शन कराते हैं, alkyl halide will form. For bromide, phosphorus tribromide is prepared at the time of the reaction only. Similarly, phosphorus triiodide is prepared at the time of the reaction. And this is the last method. This is thionyl chloride. When thionyl chloride is treated with alcohol, alkyl halide form, and two side products are also formed which are in gaseous state. So this method is considered as the best method कि इसके अंदर जो प्योरिटी है alkyl halide की वो सबसे ज़्यादा है. जो दोनों साइड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो gaseous state में and escape easily. This reaction is done in the presence of pyridine. Pyridine is organic base. Next method is preparation of alkyl halides from hydrocarbons. Methane is reacted with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. Alkyl halides are formed. The reaction goes by free radical mechanism. But in this method, number of halogen derivatives are formed which can be separated by fractional distillation. This will react further with chlorine and dichloro derivative will form. This will react further with chlorine. Trihalogen derivative is formed. This reacts further with chlorine and carbon tetrachloride is formed. If limited amount of chlorine is taken, then the reaction can be stopped. बट प्योर मिथाइल क्लोराइड तो फॉर्म करना तब भी पॉसिबल नहीं है। अभी मैंने आपको बताया रिएक्शन गोज बाय फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म। तो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट फर्स्ट फ्री रेडिकल्स आर फॉर्म। तो दिस इज द इनिशिएशन स्टेप। Now this free radical will combine with methane and one new free radical will form. These are called as propagation. And now this methyl free radical will combine with another molecule of chlorine. A methyl chloride will form and one new free radical form. And this is also propagation. ठीक है, तो अब ये जो मिथाइल क्लोराइड है, फिर ये जो 2 स्टेप्स हैं, ये बार बार रिपीट होते रहेंगे। कब तक? जब तक सारे के सारे हाइड्रोजन क्लोरीन से रिप्लेस ना हो जाए। एंड इन द टर्मिनेशन स्टेप में कोई भी 2 फ्री रेडिकल कंबाइन हो जाते हैं। वो फ्री रेडिकल कोई भी आप ले सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने ये ले लिए, और 2 फ्री रेडिकल ये भी हो सकते हैं, और 2 फ्री रेडिकल ये भी हो सकते हैं। तो फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म के 3 स्टेप्स होते हैं, इनिशिएशन, प्रोपेगेशन एंड टर्मिनेशन। सिमिलरली इफ मीथेन इज ट्रीटेड विद आयोडीन, पर ये जो रिएक्शन है इट इज डन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सम ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट like HNO3 or HiO3. This released hydroiodic acid combines with the oxidizing agent and iodine is liberated. Then this released iodine can be reused. Now we will discuss preparation of alkyl halides from alkenes by the addition of halogen acid. Okay, if alkene is symmetrical, जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल लिया इथीन, if alkene is symmetrical there is no problem, हाइड्रोजन किसी भी कार्बन को चला जाए और हेलोजन किसी भी कार्बन को चला जाए, and the product form will be this. If alkene is not symmetrical, then addition of halogen acid takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. And what is Markovnikov's rule? Hydrogen of halogen acid goes to that carbon which is already rich in hydrogen atom. अब ये 2 कार्बन देखिए, this is rich in hydrogen atom. तो compound will form if alkene is asymmetrical and we are doing addition of HBr in the presence of peroxide, anti-Markovnikov's rule take place. Hydrogen of halogen acid goes to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen atom. This is called as anti-Markovnikov's rule. This is also called as peroxide effect because reaction is possible only in the presence of peroxide. This is also called as Kharash effect. ठीक है, तो what will be the product? CH3 CH2 CH2Br. ठीक है, I will give you mechanism of this reaction. This is benzoyl peroxide. Homolytic fission takes place and 2 free radicals are formed. This free radical decomposes and new free radical is formed. This combines with hydrobromic acid, benzene forms and new free radical form. So these all are the steps of initiation. So this is the main free radical जो हमें चाहिए. This free radical reacts with alkene and new free radical is formed and that is this is secondary free radical. ठीक है, तो फ्री रेडिकल इस वाले कार्बन पर नहीं बना, मिडल वाले कार्बन के ऊपर बना है बिकॉज सेकेंडरी फ्री रेडिकल इज मोर स्टेबल. देन इट विल कंबाइन विद one more molecule of HBr and this alkyl halide will form and new free radical is formed. So this is propagation step. तो फिर से propagation step, new free radical is formed which will combine with another molecule of alkene and thus the reaction will go on. And in termination step कोई भी 2 free radical को आप combine करके दिखा देंगे. This will be termination step. Now we will discuss some name reactions. Number 1 is Hunsdiecker reaction. So what is this reaction? Silver salt of carboxylic acid is treated with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. So silver salt of carboxylic acid is treated with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Alkyl bromide will form. Next name reaction, Finkelstein reaction. This is also called as halogen exchange reaction. तो अल्काइल क्लोराइड से अल्काइल आयोडाइड बनाने के लिए this reaction is used. Alkyl halide is treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. तो सोडियम आयोडाइड जो है that is soluble in acetone, but sodium chloride is not soluble in acetone. तो जब रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाती है NaCl can be removed easily. Next is Schwarz reaction. This reaction is used to prepare alkyl fluorides. In this reaction, alkyl bromide is treated with metallic fluoride. For example, methyl bromide is treated with silver fluoride, metal fluoride. We also can take mercurous fluoride or antimony trifluoride. Product will be methyl fluoride, silver bromide. Now, after the preparation of alkyl halides, we will study properties. First, we will do physical properties of alkyl halides. Number one property, physical state. As we move from lower member to higher member, physical state changes. Lower members are in the gaseous state, then in liquid state, and higher members are in the solid state. And the alkyl halides having the same number of carbon, the physical state also depends upon the nature of halogen. Next property is boiling point. Now this is the order of boiling point. तो सबसे पहले हम ये वाला डिस्कस करेंगे. Boiling point of alkyl halide is higher than the corresponding alkanes because in alkyl halide the carbon halogen bond is polar in nature. तो पोलर होने की वजह से जो मोलिक्यूल्स हैं those are more associated in comparison of alkane. इन alkyl halide जो हेलोजन वाला पार्ट है उसका मास बड़ा है. तो ड्यू टू द हाई मोलिकुलर मास ऑफ alkyl halide, polar nature of carbon halogen bond, the boiling point of alkyl halide is more than corresponding alkane. And when we compare the boiling point of different alkyl halides, the boiling point of alkyl iodide is maximum, again due to the large size of iodine. Surface area increases, van der Waals force of attraction increases. Therefore, boiling point varies in this order. These are the isomers of pentyl chloride. तो boiling point varies in this order. Normal pentyl chloride का boiling point सबसे ज़्यादा है. तो more are the number of branches, lesser will be the surface area and lesser will be the van der Waals forces of attraction. Therefore, the boiling point varies in this order. Now, next, in these different halogen derivatives, the boiling point varies in this order. So, more are the number of chlorine atoms, more will be the surface area, more stronger will be the van der Waals forces of attraction. Now, next property is density. Alkyl halides are heavier than water. Density of different halogen derivatives varies in this order. More are the number of chlorine atom, more will be the density. And if we compare the density between different halides having same number of carbon atom, then the order is as the size of halogen increases, more will be the density. Next property is solubility. Solubility in water. Alkyl halides are polar in nature. Carbon carrying slightly positive charge. Halogen carrying slightly negative charge. They are polar in nature but are not soluble in water because they cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule. तो polar in nature है और water molecule की तरफ attract होता है तो उसके अंदर जो energy liberate होती है, ठीक है, that is not able to break this carbon and halogen bond. Therefore, these compounds are not soluble in water. Now we will discuss chemical properties of haloalkanes. Chemical reactions of alkyl halides are of 4 types. These reactions are: number 1, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Number 2, dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation, removal of halogen acid. Reaction with metals, and last is reduction reaction. Reduction reactions means addition of hydrogen and removal of halogen. We will discuss one by one. Now first we will discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is an alkyl halide. Halogen is more electronegative than carbon. ये जो शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, बिकॉज ऑफ हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ हैलोजन, हैलोजन विल अट्रैक्ट दिस शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ एंड विल एक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज, स्लाइटली नेगेटिव चार्ज, and to balance this negative charge carbon will acquire positive charge. तो bond becomes polar in nature. अब कोई नया nucleophile which is stronger than halogen will approach this carbon. A new nucleophile will approach this carbon atom. This bond will become weak and new bond with new nucleophile will form. Stronger nucleophile displaces weaker nucleophile. These types of reactions are called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are some examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Number 1, when alkyl halide is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide, alcohol forms. Similarly, if alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, ether forms. This reaction is also called as Williamson synthesis. When alkyl halide is treated with dry silver oxide, then also ether forms. तो अगर हमें दोनों alkyl group same रखने हैं, then we use this method. Now, when alkyl halide is treated with potassium cyanide, alkyl cyanide will form. When alkyl halide is treated with silver cyanide, then alkyl isocyanides are formed. When alkyl halide is treated with potassium nitride, then alkyl nitrite forms. When alkyl halide is treated with silver nitride, then nitroalkane forms. When alkyl halide is treated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, and ester forms. When we treat alkyl halide with potassium cyanide, alkyl cyanide forms. When treated with silver cyanide, isocyanide are formed. Similarly, when alkyl halide treated with potassium nitrite, alkyl nitrite are formed. और सिल्वर नाइट्राइट के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं तो नाइट्रोएल्केन फॉर्म करते हैं. अभी मैं इनकी आपको रीजनिंग देती हूँ कि मेटल के चेंज होने से जो नेचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट है वो क्यों चेंज हो गया. देखिए, पोटेशियम साइनाइड इज एन आयोनिक कंपाउंड. इट आयोनाइजेस कंप्लीटली. तो जो साइनो ग्रुप है उसके बोथ द एंड्स आर फ्री टू फॉर्म द बॉन्ड विद कार्बन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड, बट कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड इज मोर स्ट्रोंगर, देयरफॉर दिस एंड forms bond with carbon of alkyl group and alkyl cyanides are formed. This is an ambidentate group. Ambidentate group means can form bond from both the ends but one at a time. Silver cyanide has appreciable covalent character. It doesn't ionize. So only one end is free to form the bond with carbon of alkyl group. Therefore, isocyanides forms. Potassium nitrite is an ionic compound. It ionizes like this and this end forms bond with the carbon of the alkyl group. But silver nitrite is a covalent compound. Silver nitrite is a covalent compound. Nitrogen is having lone pair of electron. Therefore, the formation of bond with this end with nitrogen is more easier. Therefore, with silver nitrite, nitroalkanes are formed. Now, more nucleophilic substitution reaction with alkyl halides. Reaction with ammonia, primary amine will form. And with primary amine, secondary amine will form. And with secondary amine, tertiary amine will form. And with tertiary amine, quaternary ammonium salt will form. Now, we will write this with secondary amine and with tertiary amine, lone pair of nitrogen आप दिखा देंगे. तो दिस इज क्वाटरनरी अमोनियम सॉल्ट. जो 3 अल्काइल ग्रुप्स हैं वो अल्काइल हैलाइड से आए हैं और जो ये एक अल्काइल ग्रुप है ये हमारा इस वाली अमीन से आया है. नेक्स्ट, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड विद सोडियम एसिटिलाइड. Very important reaction for convergence to increase the number of carbon atoms. Now we will discuss mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions. There are two types of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Number 1 is SN1 and number 2 is SN2. S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophilic and one is unimolecular and two stands for bimolecular. तो first we will discuss SN2 mechanism. देखिए, this is an alkyl halide. मैंने मिथाइल क्लोराइड का एग्जाम्पल लिया है and this is nucleophile or we can take OH minus. As the new nucleophile approaches carbon की तरफ क्यों अप्रोच करेगा? Due to the high electronegativity of chlorine, this bond pair of electron is attracted more towards chlorine. तो क्लोरीन के ऊपर स्लाइटली नेगेटिव चार्ज और कार्बन के ऊपर स्लाइटली पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. तो जब यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज सेंटर है तो न्यू न्यूक्लियोफाइल स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द ओल्डर वन विल अप्रोच कार्बन. तो जैसे ये अप्रोच करता है कार्बन को, क्लोरीन इस बॉन्ड पेयर को अपनी तरफ और ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करता है. तो ब्रेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड एंड मेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड आर टेकिंग प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली एट 180 डिग्री एंगल. तो वी इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज फॉर्म्स. इसको हम किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? देखिए, दिस इज द इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज. कार्बन इज सराउंडेड विद 5 ग्रुप्स. कार्बन की वैलेंसी तो 4 होती है, लेकिन यहाँ इंटरमीडिएट जो कॉम्प्लेक्स ये बन रहा है, इंटरमीडिएट जो स्टेज है, इसमें कार्बन इज सराउंडेड बाय 5 ग्रुप्स. इट इज अनस्टेबल और जो क्लोरीन है वो यहाँ से हट जाएगा और जो न्यू बॉन्ड है वो कार्बन के साथ में फॉर्म हो जाएगा. जो पुराना वाला न्यूक्लियोफाइल था वो इस साइड था, जो नया वाला न्यूक्लियोफाइल है वो एंटी डायरेक्शन, दूसरी डायरेक्शन से उसने अप्रोच किया है. दिस स्टेप इज स्लो स्टेप, दिस स्टेप इज फास्ट स्टेप. तो रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप कौन सा है? दिस वन. और रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप में 2 टाइप की स्पीशीज काम कर रही हैं. एक तो जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल नया वाला और जो अल्काइल हैलाइड है. देयरफॉर दिस इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन बाय मोलिकुलर मैकेनिज्म. अच्छा, अब ये वाला जो मैकेनिज्म है, इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज में 5 ग्रुप्स अटैच टू द 1 कार्बन एटम. तो इस केस के अंदर तो तीनों हाइड्रोजन है. तो अगर कोई हायर अल्काइल हैलाइड है जहां पर हाइड्रोजन की जगह अल्काइल ग्रुप्स हैं, SN2 मैकेनिज्म विल बी डिफिकल्ट. कार्बन कांट बेयर बल्कि अल्काइल ग्रुप्स. जितना स्मॉलर अल्काइल ग्रुप होगा, द रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड विल फॉलो SN2 मैकेनिज्म. जितने बड़े बल्कि अल्काइल ग्रुप्स होंगे, रिएक्शन विल फॉलो SN1 मैकेनिज्म. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस SN1 मैकेनिज्म. नाउ SN1 मैकेनिज्म ये हमने लिया है टर्शियरी अल्काइल हैलाइड. देखिए, जब हम टर्शियरी अल्काइल हैलाइड के अंदर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हम पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ कर रहे हैं, तो हम क्या ले रहे हैं? वाटर ले रहे हैं, एक्वस KOH ले रहे हैं. तो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रोटिक सोलवेंट, जो टर्शियरी अल्काइल हैलाइड है, इट विल आयोनाइज एंड कार्बोकैटायन फॉर्म. तो ये टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा या सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. तो these carbocations are stable. तो this step is slow step. तो जो reaction है that will follow first order kinetics. Only one type of species is there. तो rate of the reaction depends only one type of molecule. Therefore, this mechanism is called as SN1, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. अब देखिए, जो ये कार्बोकैटायन फॉर्म हुआ है, न्यू न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल अप्रोच टू दिस पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कार्बन. और ये जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है ये दोनों तरफ से अटैक कर सकता है. वो इस साइड से भी अटैक कर सकता है और इस साइड से भी अटैक कर सकता है, बट वन एट ए टाइम. नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड इज ट्रीटेड विद अल्कोहलिक KOH. Elimination of halogen acid takes place and product is an alkene. This is 2-chlorobutane. It is treated with alcoholic KOH. देखिए, 2 type of alkenes can form. So this is minor and this is major. So this is Sedzefru. Sedzefru, more alkylated alkene is preferred. So in this 1 and 2 alkyl groups are there, and in this only 1 alkyl group is there. The more are the number of alkyl groups, more is the hyperconjugation, more stable is an alkene. These reactions are also called as beta elimination reaction because देखिए, ये जो मेजर प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हुआ है, जो हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेट हुई है वो इस वाले कार्बन से हुई है, एंड दिस इज बीटा कार्बन. If we compare this reaction with different alkyl halide, the order of reaction will vary like this, because and mechanism of this reaction can be given as, देखिए जो alcoholic KOH है it will give K plus and OH minus ion. ये वाले जो OH minus ion है, OH minus will approach this hydrogen, ये bond pair यहाँ चला जाएगा, and chlorine with this bond pair of electron will come out, will combine with this K plus and KCl will form. Now we will do next reaction with metals. Alkyl halides reacts with sodium in the presence of dry ether and higher alkanes are formed. This reaction is called as Wurtz reaction. Similarly, alkyl halide reacts with lithium. With lithium, alkyl lithium is formed. And these compounds are called as organometallic compounds. Now, reduction reaction. देखिए, this is reduction reaction. This is nascent hydrogen. This is prepared at the time of the reaction. तो इसे prepare करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Ethyl alcohol is treated with zinc. देखिए, this nascent hydrogen produces, जैसे ही वो produce होती है, that reacts with alkyl halide. When alkyl halide is treated with lithium aluminium hydride, this is reducing agent. In the presence of dry ether, alkane forms. Corresponding alkane forms. ये दो और एग्जाम्पल है न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन के. दिस इज सोडियम हाइड्रोसल्फाइड. जैसे NaOH होता है, ये NaSH है, तो RSH, these are called as thioalcohol. And if alkyl halide is treated with sodium mercaptide, जैसे सोडियम एल्कोक्साइड होता है, ऑक्सीजन की जगह सल्फर आ गया, and these are thioether. Thioethers are formed. तो इसी के साथ हमारी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्काइल हैलाइड्स, ये हम आज की वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं. और मैंने सारा थ्योरी के अंदर CBSE एंड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम IIT मेडिकल पूरा कोर्स मैंने कवर किया है. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो भी आज हमने किया है इससे रिलेटेड हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो CBSE बोर्ड एंड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम से रिलेटेड होंगे. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.